Hi.
So we haven't made a video in a long time, which is like
a week ago.
As you can see, we've changed backgrounds. Yeah.
Okay.
So we don't really know what we want to do in this video. Maybe
we're just probably gonna vlog.
This is our vlogging.
Okay.
So we're sitting in my room.
We might
now.
get a guest.
Yeah, maybe. Later we might like do like a challenge video or tutorial of how to do
Speak
a
Arabic.
messy.
Okay.
No, a messy bun.
Okay.
Perfect.
So like, what's up? I spent the whole day with her. Like, whoa. I have no idea.
That's supposed to be a good thing. Okay, whatever. Wait. Why do I feel so weird?
So like, what's up?
It's how weird it is talking to the camera because you feel like a whole audience is gonna see this, right? So you feel like weird because you are supposed to do something that makes people want to watch you.
Oh my god.
Okay.
More.
Bye. No. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So we forgot. This is our friend Gigi.
Did it come up?
Yeah. Should we redo that?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
So this is our friend.
We all live in Africa. I'm joking.
Africa.
This is our friend Rada.
No, Rada.
Don't
her
say
real name is Rada, but we call her Gigi. G-I-G-I.
Not JJ. I'm gonna tell you that.
So
yeah.
Gigi. Okay. So just wanted to introduce her.
She might be in our videos.
She scared us.
I scared you.
She scared you.
You were the one who screamed.
No.
I was in the bathroom and they did.
So
Bye bye.
babe.
I feel like a sloth.
Should we like?
No, that's fine. Okay. If you like this video,
Subscribe.
give it a thumbs up.
Have you noticed?
Okay.
Every time, that's gonna be our new thing. Every time you want to subscribe, we're gonna go subscribe.
Just subscribe, and if you like this video,
Tabasa
give it a
and Sarah.
thumbs up. Thumbs up. Just
This
like
is
the
so
video.
boring.